Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the basic features of the web browser portal interface. Using your welcome email, click on the Complete Setup button. This will take you to a screen where you set up your password for the web portal and your voicemail box. Once your passwords are set, click the Save button, and it will redirect you to the web portal interface. You can also reach your login by using your Google Chrome web browser. Navigate to pbx.midwestdialtone.com. You can listen to a voicemail in the new voicemail messages window by clicking the play icon, or you can click Messages. Click Fax to view your list of your incoming and outgoing faxes. To preview the fax, hover your mouse over the magnifying glass icon. To download the fax, click the download icon. On the fax page, select Send Fax. Select your cover page. Browse to select the file you wish to fax. You can click the Add button to send more than one file. Then enter the number you wish to fax to and click Send. Click Contacts to view your contact list. Here you can add a new contact or edit an existing contact. Click Reporting to see a list of inbound and outbound calls. If call recording is enabled, you will be able to click the speaker icon and listen to a call. Click the download icon to save the recording. Click Contacts, then click Available. Select your status at the bottom. You can even add a custom message. To sign out, select your name at the top right. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources. You can access your portal login here as well.